Today we will talk about Excel ribbon, command group and dialog box launches. So for this, to understand, as we learned in last class various parts of Excel, we have seen that are so many number of tabs and each tab consists of a ribbon, and within a ribbon there are so many number of command groups. Each command group consists of so many number of command buttons which are relevant to that particular command group, and each and every group is having one dialog box launcher also, which is mentioned in the bottom corner of a group. So we'll see in detail about this. To move further on, just these arrows are showing you exactly where what is lying. So tab is what? Tab organizes all related commands for a specific purpose. Like home tab will be having all the commands which are related to some regular works. Whereas when we talk about insert command will or insert tab help you to insert some shapes into your workbook or some formulas, or you can say pivot table, etc. Page layout enables you to set the layout of a page. Formula give you the various kind of formulas. Data help you to analyze the data. Review will be going to help you to review the worksheet, and view will be helping you to view the worksheet in various ways, with grid line or without grid line. So these are various tabs, and tabs organizes all related command for a specific purpose. Like here in home tab we are having commands like cut, copy, paste, format, painter, clipboard is one of the group over here, command group over here. Then within font, various font styles, sizes, borders, bold, italic, coloring the background or the text color, etc. In alignment, how to align the data, center, middle, left, etc. It also consists of indentation, left and right, and also the direction of a text written in a cell. Similarly, you are having a number command group which is having all the formatting options which are related to the data written in a cell. Then there is a style group which is having some options like conditional formatting, format as table, various styles of a cell, etc. And in cell group, you are having some options related to cell, inserting a cell or formatting a cell or deleting a cell. So tab organizes related command for a specific purpose, wherein when we talk about command group related commands under a tab such as font over here. So this is a command group. Font is a command group which is having all related options available in this group only, which are also known as command button. So command button is a button which performs a specific task and get triggered when we click on that, such as changing the font color, changing the background color, putting a border, making a text bold, etc. And in the bottom corner, you see there is a dialog box launcher which opens all etc. commands, more commands which are not visible in this group. If you want to extend the options which are available inside this group, you have to click on command. You have to click on dialog box launcher. Before moving to dialog box launcher, it is very necessary to know that how many types of cursors are there in Excel and what is the role of those all cursors. Cursors recognizes by their shape only, and the shape tells that what kind of actions can be performed with the help of that particular cursor. This hollow plus symbol which is inside a active cell, this arrow is been showing to this particular cursor. It is also known as selection mode cursor. This tells that you are in a selection mode and you can select a cell or a range of cell which is available in a active worksheet. Second is autofill cursor, which is having a plus, this dark plus symbol in the bottom corner of an active cell. It tells you that when you drag this particular plus sign in a bottom direction or in a right direction or in a up direction, it will be going to fill it based on the base of the pattern this particular cell is following. So this is a autofill cursor. This is a I-beam which is inside a active cell. It tells that you are in editing mode and you can start typing from the cursor wherever it is lying. This arrow is a mouse pointer which tells that you are within a ribbon, or you can say you are inside a command group, or you are in the ribbon somewhere or in the tab where you can click on that option and you can just see how that particular option will be acting. Like right now it is pointing towards B. So if you select it, you will see that the text is appeared as bold. The only thing is, first of all, you have to select the text, then you have to press to this B option, which is actually related to converting the text into bold. Then fifth cursor is move cell cursor, which is having arrows pointing up, down, left and right. So whenever you have a selected cell or range of cell and you want to move it to some other place, you can move using this particular arrow. So this is move cell cursor. It moves the cell. Then to copy the cell cursor, the arrow is something like this, wherein you can copy the cells, but you have to press the control along with that. So you have to hold the control and drag the border of the copy selected cell, and you see that the data is being, or cell is being copied to the place wherever you are looking for. To select the entire row from beginning to end, you have to use this arrow symbol which is pointing towards down in the column only, which is a column label. You have to put the cursor in the column label and then press, it will select the entire column. Similarly, you have to put the cursor on the row number and then press enter. You see it will be going to select the entire row. So to select row and column, the type of cursor which is visible that yes, it is enabling you to select the row and column is dark full arrows pointing towards down or right. To resize the row or column, the cursors look like this. Sometimes it comes in a combination also. If you only want to resize the column, the cursors will be like this, which is showing you that yes, you can increase the size in a horizontal manner. When you want to like do it in a you want to increase the width, then you have to see that the cursor seems like this and it will be going to increase the height of a row. To increase the height of a row, the cursor will be like this, and to increase the width of a cell, the type of a cursor will be like this. And this is resize row and column cursor. With this, we start with various dialog box launchers which are available or supported by Excel. First is clipboard dialog box launcher, which is visible in home, and it is the leftmost first dialog box. It shows you always all the copied or cut items in a sequence till you will not be going to clear it. Anytime you can click on any of the option which is lying in any of the order and you can just paste it. Then second is format cell dialog box launcher, which enables you to format the number, which enables you to align the data, change the font style, put a border, fill the box or protect the cells. So the shortcut to use this is Ctrl 1. Third dialog box launcher which is available in Excel is find and replace. It helps you to find some content which is already lying in the worksheet and which can be replaced by some other content which you want to get replaced with. Just to find, the shortcut is Ctrl F, and to just find and replace, the shortcut is Ctrl plus H. Then there is a dialog box launcher which is data. Then you have to go to sort and filter, then sort. It is also known as sort dialog box. It enables you to sort the data in different ways. In detail, we will see in a practical way. Then there is a dialog box known as advanced filter. which help you to filter the information in advanced way with more options, and you can filter the exact appropriate information you want to filter out from the large data set available with you. Page setup helps you to control the look and feel of a page by setting its margin, by setting header and footer, and by giving some printing setting to it. Insert function help you to insert a function in which you want to work. The shortcut for inserting the function is Shift plus F3. Then you can select any of the function from the list which is available over there, and you can work on that. Data validation is the 8th dialog box launcher which controls the input which is to be given by the user, and the user is going to enter into a cell. Then there is a consolidate dialog box which comes within data only, which combines summaries from various multiple worksheet ranges together at one place. There is a pivot table and pivot chart dialog box which help you to summarize the data and visualize the data on a worksheet, and the shortcut which we use to use pivot table and pivot chart is Alt D B. You can insert normal chart also. There is a insert chart dialog box which comes within insert only. It also shows you some recommended charts or all the charts which are available within Excel. You can create a hyperlink which can take you to another page, whatever the page, or you can say destination page you linked with, and the shortcut of inserting a link is Ctrl K. You can also highlight some data in a worksheet using conditional formatting, and you can manage the rule by creating some rule for the highlighted contents. You can edit also the rule, or you can delete some rule if all the options are available over here. 14th dialog box launcher is name manager, which help you to give the name to the range, or to edit the range, or to delete some given name ranges. The shortcut which is used for name manager is Ctrl plus F3. So we can say that a dialog box launcher is a tiny diagonal arrow which is lying in each of the command group at the bottom right corner. And it is not necessary that in every ribbon group you will be going to find diagonal arrow which is a dialog box launcher, but wherever it is, it means that you can have much more options with respect to that particular command group, and that command group is not only consist of the options which are shown over there, it is having many more. To view those all, you have to click on dialog box launcher. So with this, in next class, one by one we will see all the common dialog boxes. Thanks for the day.